What's up, everybody? We made it to Animal Kingdom, day 2 at Disney. So far, we've still a little bit of walking. It's a lot nicer than Hollywood Studios. We like this a lot. So right now we're in Pandora. The kids are all ready. Got my shirt. We got Timon and Pumbaa's shirt, I guess. All right, maybe not happy, but let's go see and take a look around Animal Kingdom. Well, as you guys can see behind me is the floating mountains from Pandora. I don't know exactly what they're called. I forgot. I haven't seen a movie in a while, but they're floating. Pandora Navi River Run. You ready?
They didn't even count us there.
They'll do a countdown. They'll just. We in here. Scared? Don't be scared. Okay, so we're at the Rainforest Cafe for lunch. It's really nice. It's nice and feels like you're walking into a little bit of a jungle. Except this alligator looks pretty fake. But hey, what do you want to do, right? You having a good birthday? Say hi to the camera. We've been at Rainforest Cafe in Tennessee, the aquarium cafe. You guys got to see in the videos. Not too fond of the food, but it's a very nice experience. Just put a lot of money in detail. And a gift shop. He loves his hat that we paid $30 for pretty much.
Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We're going to see something special. We made it.
Thank you. Still in Animal Kingdom. We are waiting for the Lion King show. Still in Africa.
Why? I hate this
Hello! Hello! Look at me! I'm in a parade!
All right, well, we had a very successful day at Animal Kingdom. We went on, we did the Lion King, the Festival of the Lion King, which was a good show. Here's clips of it. We also went ahead and did the Pandora Navi River tour, which was pretty nice. Here's clips of it. I'm not going to show you guys the full clips in this video. Pretty much I'll post up another video with just the clips in it, with the full clip. And I just lost my family, so let me go find my family again. But yeah, we're going to, what else did we do? We rode a couple rides. This was a lot better than Hollywood Studios. There was just a lot more to do. I'll be honest with you. Once we find somebody to watch our kids, we'll probably come back tonight and knock it out. So hopefully we'll show you some more clips at night. All right. But thank you for watching. Check out the last videos. This is day 2 at Disney. Tomorrow we go to Epcot and then to Magic Kingdom. So happy birthday, buddy.